What does your body gain from doing compound exercises? Well, they work multiple muscle groups at the same time, and sometimes they can be a combination of two exercises in one move, which will help you target even more muscles. They are a great all-in-one exercise in that they can help you burn calories, fat, and gain muscle mass, which makes them perfect for individuals who do not want to spend hours and hours working out before seeing results. Compound exercises are also important because they help improve your flexibility, intramuscular coordination, strength, and help in elevating your heart rate. Now, getting your heart to beat faster during exercise is especially important because it helps train your body to move oxygen and blood to your muscles more efficiently, and it also helps you burn more calories while lowering your cholesterol. In this video, we share 4 compound exercises which are great for individuals who are at the beginner level of fitness. Number 1. The walking lunge. Walking lunges target your quadriceps, glutes, hamstrings, calves, abdominals, and your hips. They also help to strengthen your lower body. Now, because walking lunges help increase your flexibility, they can help increase your range of motion and help to loosen your hips and hamstrings. To perform with the correct form, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and place your hands on your hips. Step forward with your right leg while bending your knees to lower your hips toward the ground. Keep lowering your hips until your left knee nearly touches the ground and you're in a lunge position. Drive through the heel of your right foot to lift yourself up and step forward with your left foot to repeat the lunge on the other leg. Number 2. Wide lat pull down. This exercise primarily targets your latissimus muscle, which is the largest muscle of your back. This muscle plays a significant role in most exercises where pulling occurs, such as the lat pull down and pull-ups. Your lats also provide support and stability to your spine. The wide lat pull down also targets the biceps, forearms, abs, shoulders, and upper back, while working the outer portion of the lats, thus reducing tension on your biceps and forearms. Another added benefit of this exercise is that it helps to improve posture. To perform this exercise with proper form, sit down on a lat pull-down cable machine, use the knee pads to lock in your legs and secure your knees directly above your ankles. Now ensure that your lower half is stabilized. Grab the bar at the widest grip position with your palms facing away from you. Note that your hands should be wider than shoulder width apart. Now slightly lean back, brace your core, bring your shoulder blades down and back while pulling the bar down until it touches the top of your rib cage. Pause here briefly and squeeze your lats, then return slowly to the starting position. Number 3. Push-ups. They work your triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders, and when you do them with a proper form, they can help strengthen your lower back and core by pulling in, also known as engaging the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are a fast and effective way to build strength. To perform with the proper form, make sure to keep your back straight, your butt down, your body in a straight line, and your core engaged throughout the exercise. Now start by kneeling on the floor and bring your feet together behind you. Bend forward into a high plank with your palms flat on the ground, your hands shoulder width apart, and your fingers facing forward or hands turned slightly in. Ensure that your shoulders are positioned over your hands as you slowly lower your body toward the floor. Maintain a rigid torso and keep your head aligned with your spine as you continue to lower yourself until your chest or chin touch the ground. Now push upward with your arms and continue pressing until your arms are fully extended at your elbows and your back in the plank position. Number 4. Burpees. Burpees are a very tasking exercise that work your entire body, which makes them arguably one of the best no-equipment compound exercises out there. They work every muscle in your body and also get your heart rate up, which means you get great cardio benefits from them as well. To perform correctly, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, then drop down and place your hands on the floor. Now kick backward or step your legs back into a plank position, then jump up into a squat position with your hands on the floor, and then return to your standing position. If you got value from this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest health facts every single week.